Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Kids Academy. Today is our fourth class of Adobe Illustrator and today we will learn Magic Wand tool and Lasso tool. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here is your Magic Wand tool at the bottom of your selection tool and here is your Lasso tool at the bottom of your direct selection tool. So first we will talk about Magic Wand tool. The shortcut key of your Magic Wand tool is Y. When you press Y, your Magic Wand tool is activated. Okay? What is the use of Magic Wand tool? Magic Wand tool is used to make selection. Okay? It is used to make selection. But how you can make selection with the help of Magic Wand tool? Magic Wand tool selects similar colors that are present on your artboard. Okay? First of all, here you can see I made some shapes on the artboard. Let's apply a fill color in it. Let's apply a fill color in both of these shapes, circle and square. Okay, if you want to select multiple shapes in one time, select your shape, and if you want to select one more shape, for example circle, press shift key and select your another shape. Okay, and after this I am going to apply a fill color in it. Let's say this blue. Okay. Here I am selecting these two shapes and here I apply a fill color green. And here I am selecting two more shapes and here I am applied a red color. Okay. So the Magic Wand tool is used to make selection. And how you can make selection with the help of Magic Wand tool? Magic Wand tool selects similar colors. Okay, it will select similar colors that are present on your artboard. So first of all, let's select your Magic Wand tool. And when you select your square, see, your circle is automatically selected. That's why, because they both have same colors. They both have same colors blue. But Magic Wand tool is only to make selection. Okay? You cannot resize and not rotate your shape with the help of Magic Wand tool. You can only select your shapes with the help of Magic Wand tool and you can only change the color of your shapes like this. Okay? When I am selecting my hexagon, see, your square is automatically selected. Okay, that's why, because they both have same colors. Here you can see circle, square and these hexagon and circle are not selected. That's why, because they have different colors, but they both have same colors. Okay, when I am selecting my hexagon, when I am selecting my red hexagon, see, your circle is automatically selected. That's why, because they both have same colors. So, I hope that you understand that how you can select your objects with the help of your Magic Wand tool. Okay, when you double click on your Magic Wand tool icon, here you can see some properties of Magic Wand tool. The first is fill color and it is already selected. Okay, what is the mean of fill color? When you select, for example, here when I am selecting my square, here you can see the blue circle is automatically selected because they both have same color blue and you can apply a fill color in it. You can change the fill color of these shapes because here you can see the fill color option is checked. Okay. The another option is stroke color. What is the mean of stroke color? Okay. When you select your Magic Wand tool and then when you select your second option, stroke color, and after you select your object, for example, I am here selecting this hexagon. Here you can see all the shapes are selected. Why? These all shapes have different colors. Why? Why it is select all the shapes? Because these all shapes have same stroke color. Here you can see these all shapes have same stroke color black. See, So it is select your all shapes. For example, if here I am selecting my square and my this hexagon, and then when I am change the color of my stroke, let's say yellow. Here you can see the stroke color is changed, okay? And then I am selecting my magic wand tool over here and selecting my second option, stroke color, and after this when I am selecting my square, here you can see hexagon is automatically select. Why? They both have different colors, because the stroke color is same. They both have same colors of stroke, yellow. Okay, so it is select your both shapes. The another option is stroke width. Check out your third option, stroke width, and when you select your magic wand tool and when you select your object, here you can see all the shapes are selected. Why? Because the stroke width are same. These all shapes have same stroke width. Okay. For example, if I change the width of my this circle and my this square over here, let's say 15. Okay. And when I'm selecting my magic wand tool and when I'm selecting my this circle, here you can see only the circle and square is selected. That's why, because they have same stroke width. Okay. They have different fill color, but they have same stroke width. Okay. The another option is opacity. What is opacity? Opacity shows the clarity of your object. Okay, here I am selecting my selection tool and here I am selecting my this circle, and here you can see an option opacity. Here is an option opacity, and the opacity of the circle is 100. It is a maximum opacity of an object. When you decrease the opacity of your object over here like this, here you can see you can't see the clarity of your object. So opacity shows the clarity of your objects. Here you can see when I am decreasing this, you can't see the clarity of your objects. Okay. And when I am do it 0, here you can see nothing. Here is your object. See, here is your object, but you can't see it. You can't see the color of your object. That's why, because the opacity of your circle is 0. So here I change the opacity of my this circle, let's say 50. And also I am change the opacity of my hexagon 50. Okay. Okay, when I'm selecting my magic wand tool and after this I'm selecting my this option opacity over here, and after this when I'm selecting my this circle, here you can see this hexagon is already selected because they both have same opacity. Okay, so that's why it is select both of them. Then okay, so I hope you understand magic wand tool and how you can make selection with the help of magic wand tool. Let's close the panel over here. Let's delete all these items by pressing Ctrl or Command A and delete. So here I hope that you understand how you can use your magic wand tool and what is the advantages of magic wand tool. So another tool is Lasso Tool. Here is your Lasso Tool. The shortcut key of your Lasso Tool is Q. When you press Q, your Lasso Tool is activated. Lasso Tool is also make selection. Okay, let's create a circle over here. Let's create a circle and let's make a square. Lasso Tool is used to make selection. How you can make selection with the help of Lasso Tool? Select your Lasso Tool, click and drag and make a bounding outside of your circle, and here we can see your circle is selected. Your circle is selected. Make sure that make a bounding outside of your circle, not in inside. When you make an inside, it will not select your object. Okay. You can also select individual anchor points with the help of your lasso tool like this. Here you can select your individual anchor points with the help of your lasso tool. So it's easy to make selection with the help of lasso tool. So I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, so click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.